na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party, oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And now they watch Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guests they ulambolo. Kilo Jacko Monoworo. All right, my name is Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. When they watch Talk, you know now. People like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. Oh yeah, keep watching Talk now. Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwaji, and I talk now. They watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
Welcome back. And another watch Talk. You understand? You know, sometimes people need to actually enter inside English so that people go understand. Say because say with the speak pidgin, not mean say we don't have speak English.
You know what you have to do now? You have to phonerize the pidgin.
No, because I want people to understand that I can speak English.
This one will be English, no verse.
I'm British.
Yep.
What did that guy tell us that day?
I'm British.
Okay. All right. Time to continue on top within the hot and Betiana get our next story for today.
Okay, this next story concerns Yemi Alade, and she don't come outside. The Yoruba Igbo Gengen babe, Yemi Alade, baby says she just win the Best West African Act for the 2015 Kunde Awards for inside Burkina Faso. Don't reveal plenty things about her daily beauty routine, about her mentor, her philosophy, her opinion about record label executives where they force their artists into relationships with them. She talked plenty things.
Talking about who?
On top one kind, that one a shade. We not going to answer that one. She talked plenty things. When I asked him about relationships between record label executives and their artists, she said nobody they force adults to do something. So that's not the difference between by force touch lighting and relationship. They can't ask him, say, okay, we want to do one small game. One fan can ask him, say, if they give you opportunity, who you go kill, who you go date, and who you go kiss. Then she can't answer. She said, I go kill Mosquito. I go date Common, the foreign artist, and I go kiss Chris Brown.
Down.
She got very better taste. So now, my ladies, I want to ask you now. For instance, now you know.
You just said she get better taste.
Now you know whether it better be no better.
See, I tell you, somebody you're quick and another person new.
Bless you, sister.
That was a lie.
Ladies, Amaka way get better taste past Yemi Alade. Okay. If they give you this opportunity, who you go kill, who you go date, and who you go kiss.
Between who and who and who?
No, exactly. Randomly. I don't give you just.
Okay, we'll pick the men ourselves.
Okay, might tell you.
Yourself. Who you want?
Might talk my own.
So it's kill, date, and
kiss.
And kiss. Okay.
Kill, date, and kiss.
I go kill Shakao, where they keep people Boko Haram.
Okay.
I go kiss. Even though I don't like to kiss.
I know who she want kiss.
Aliko Dangote.
Ah.
Then I go do it in the next
date. I go kiss
my husband.
Oh.
Lovely.
Okay.
I'll follow Yemi Alade. I'll kill rats. That's if I fit.
Thank you.
That's if I fit too.
I'll kill rats.
Then I would date Will Smith.
When your wife catch you.
That man fit.
Now my permanent crush. As in, I don't feel just come out that man. No matter what happen, na permanent crush Will Smith.
So you're gonna tell you stay one.
Obviously, I'll kiss my husband.
Well,
with all pleasure.
Also, you know they call me Bimbio.
So you not date your husband, you they kiss him.
I don't marry him already now.
No.
You go don't marry him already now.
I'm tell you who you want kiss.
Who I go kiss?
Question.
Okay, I think
kiss Mosquito. Kiss Mosquito.
Tell me you ask me question.
Time. I don't do that thing again, I beg. It's not like puppy dog. What's happening?
All right. I go kill cockroach.
Copycat.
That's very easy to kill.
Because it is easy.
No, she don't feel kill herself.
I go kiss my niece.
Okay.
Now woman she be. Sorry, now man.
She's a must be man.
They're not put criteria. Why are they paying you? Who you do date?
Aliko Dangote.
You did Vector.
Bill Gates. Vector!
Yeah! Oh my God!
Vector, you must come this show. No, Vector. Because no Vector, we will just face
Vector within my mind, though. But I say no. I go like just kiss Vector, but not date Vector. better go give me a wahala. But let me just leave it there because I don't know any other man will go enter my head.
I swear to God, me, I did blank like this. But I know say me, if I won't kill anything, I go kill chicken because I like to chop chicken. I go kill and chop and
So I kill chicken.
My
younger sister they kill chicken.
I go kill chicken. I go remove the feather, everything inside, outside.
Remove the feather. I give you a story about my killing chicken. Sorry.
So if you kill chicken,
I killed chicken 2 years ago, Christmas Day. Me and my younger sister.
The chicken
You not die. You can't they roll. All of us can't they roll. They say, yeah.
Okay, so I go kill chicken. I go kiss. Who I go kiss?
Eminem.
No.
Oh, Nikita!
No, I don't kiss Nikita. I go kiss Terrence J.
Your dead kissing talk.
I go kiss
Nikita.
Terrence Jenkins.
Okay.
No.
Then she go date Jonas.
No,
I go date
Nikita.
Talk now.
Nikita! Excuse me, you don't get it. Seriously? Nikita, please.
You know we all know already.
that what? Am I dating?
But then I'm gonna wait for you, please.
Okay, I go date Nikita.
Save us the stress.
Of which?
But I don't understand you,
guessing.
Betiana. So Terrence, your one and only sweetheart, you go actually just kiss him and let
Now
it
because
be.
Terrence no knows how they exist.
Oh, so you finally accept the fact that you can get another crowd. Majid.
Majid
Wow,
is
now
like a
womanizer,
Nigerian. Nigerian men don't know how to stick to one woman. They like to jump.
Yeah,
It's
that's
a
why
good job.
she
Mix up cross. You
know?
they jump anyhow.
That's why she decided to go for
Majid.
Nikita.
No, Majid.
You got love for him, bro.
Bro.
But
I
Nikita,
zone you, so we go be friends forever.
but Nikita can stay as the permanent.
Yeah,
one.
permanent.
He looks sweet.
Please, yes, please. Please explain to
My
us.
dear internet story.
I love this.
I'm a very honest person.
Oh, you said
I cannot say
he
they
already
honest.
knows.
No, but you fit tell when person they honest because you get some kind of things way out of pride and not go on talk him. But the short while where we meet, he talk plenty
Yeah,
things
like
where
really
really
meet,
meet.
yeah.
On a normal day.
I don't
another
meet.
per-
They don't meet.
Hello, he there this
No,
week.
you said the short while when I meet.
Not the one when they come
Nobody
out
calls
studio.
show. You say when I meet.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Oh, Quimby, you see your friend?
You just quiet.
I'm proud of you, baby.
Thank you, honey.
Love it, yeah, I'm proud of you, baby. Catch him right now that he's in
know.
Nigeria, no fake.
When I go
No,
play,
he has
I'm
gone
back.
back.
No.
Why don't follow and go?
Where they go?
If I just go visit
This guy go fit for person home. Because you see what everyone talking, no for.
Please let us move on. Let us move on. But you wait out there. If you want to join in the group, just tell us who you go actually kill, who you go date, and who you go kiss. Just put anybody name for inside them. Whether say you want kiss your mama or you want date your papa
Or you want kiss
or you
Obi,
want. Or you want kiss Amaka
Or you want date Kimbi,
Yeah,
you want
But they don't kill me, they love me too much. Right? And I love me well.
Just tell us. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Tell them again because people say they listen to your voice.
They love your voice.
All you need to do now enter Twitter at Wazobia. If that one had you too much, when you run enter Facebook Wazobia TV.
Now, our next story for today on Top Waiting Day What? Now, they say this Thursday, May 7th, that one are today, popular Nigerian music star Dakpo Oyebanjo.
I'm the bench.
Cocolet.
1, 2.
Better known. No, we don't. We want to just now. Maybe want us nothing. All right. Okay. Dakpo Oyebanjo. I know so now you go hook you because not good anything to talk. But you say Mensa. They call me Mensa. Should they talk Mensa? They call me Mensa.
Like my Ghanaian friends call me Mensa.
And
I don't hear that name for Ghana.
Now Dakpo Oyebanjo, popularly known as what we all known as the band, say he need to enter inside courts that one at this Thursday over involvement with himself and also the businessman. Now we know say he don't actually there for inside the news where they talk say in the I give you money, he no give you money. Now they thought that the singer was say they alleged that say in by Henry Ojogo say he don't fail to pay up the money where he borrowed the singer. Now, Ojogo further, he come outside, accused the band, say, of issuing check where, and they open.
Bounce.
check where not they open, check where they bounce, which Nigeria law, they actually frown out. Now, plenty things now the man actually talk. They say, for inside the last hearing on top Monday, March 30th, 2015, both parties say that they in court except for their counsels. They come force the presiding judge to adjourn the matter come today. So today we go actually know the fate of the band, whether he actually borrow money, where he not pay back, or him not actually borrow money, where him the man they accuse him. So now we need to talk about him even before the court. We don't say now that they go to judge him for a side court, but make we judge him here. You feel say the band they guilty or not they guilty because he not come outside. Even in publicists come outside talk say the band not they owe anybody money. You feel say they guilty or not they guilty? Guilty and not guilty.
To me, I just say may they try control the matter because yeah, no be crime. Nigeria they owe money.
Of course.
You understand? Other countries too, they owe money. No be crime if the bank they owe money. No be something. It don't happen before. That's why the bank do them. If it never happened, then it don't break record. Then somebody else still go do them. Be that. No be crime. But my own be say, waiting be the agreement where they ground before. If you don't actually breach the contract or the agreement or based on relationship, and you don't come, maybe you wanna get disagreements because we got to know whether the man actually give them. Or he borrow him, or the guy can't do him something. I can say, okay, I borrow you that money, give me back. That's why the bank get power to the talk, say, okay, I no borrow money from you. But if not based on that, we go actually find out today. Maybe by tomorrow we go sunshine on that one. But me go say, the band's not public figure and the area man, people know to know, I know they famous. And this matter don't come make the man they famous.
Yes.
Maybe now waiting they look for be this. We shall know at the end of the day, but the band just beg your image. You're proud of you as a Nigerian, as a brother. You know now, we've come a long way. Please settle this thing. I'm owing. People are owing me. I'm owing.
Maybe so nice everywhere.
I know.
Everybody they owe Betiana.
We are owing me.
I know, 5,600.
You could talk this food thing.
Anyway, for me, I go say, actually, like Queen B talk, yes, everybody they owe countries, but not be say they go come drag the matter, like saying, do or die affair. Even though say the money feel big one kind, but as mature minds, they're supposed to handle this in amicably. Like Queen, I totally agree with most things where Queen B talk because it is possible say maybe not be on monetary basis, and then they owe themselves, and then all of a sudden the Henry guy turn and say, okay, oh, actually I don't want this one again, I cash I want. And that kind of situation, of course, I feel can decide say, you know what, it not be the arguments where we get, so I know owe you. Anything if you don't spark up. But for me, I go say, if actually the bands they owe I'm true, and the guy called the jack and for money, say, okay, I want my money, go teach other artists, because I know say a lot of celebrities they live fake life, they live above what their fee afford. So if they use this one rubbish, others go learn, say, okay, actually I need to cut my coat according to my size, because the flamboyant lifestyle that they live, they confuse some of the upcoming artists. I feel say, okay, once you just enter the industry, you go blow. They're not gonna know say now step by step, now gradual process. That's not my own opinion. But for the band, I say, may the Lord be your strength and may the law take its course. Simple. You know that's how they soundtrack. I know. They drag them.
And that's not so you messing the answer.
But personally, if you say make I judge the band guilty or not guilty, me I don't know. Okay. Because
I like it, you know.
It's true. I not just one word because it is very possible say as Queen B talk say the waiting be the guy and he just one Henry guy. He just one day public. He just one day public. I himself will blue. He need to blue and he want use the band popularity take blue.
Like we talk yesterday, you climb ladder.
Climb ladder, and we say she know they climb person. No. But this is the same Henry that is climbing the bench. You go climb person. I don't say you don't climb plenty people. Anyways, you don't they climb us here now with style. So as they talk, I just feel say the guy just won't use and blue. And if the band even they guilty.
But the guy na business guy, what's he want blue?
Thank you.
I mean, you know how before.
Very soon you go see say the guy don't enter music or something because now some person on top blog. Sorry to cut you, Amaka. Person on top blog. If I say na him be the finest students for Ilorin about a week ago, and then suddenly yesterday he dropped music after people don't argue say you fine wait he don't drag all the attention come inside now he drop music.
But that one go dey very
let's go.
If I mistakenly download that song, I'll go look for that blog, I'll delete you.
No, but what she just
I don't like that ladder. If it's shaky.
Ladder. Oh, no ladder.
Yes, so
there are different ways you go climb the ladder.
Ladder is different.
You get bamboo ladder. That one you go for climb and make
ladder. See, even if na broom, at least if they help you climb. if he help you climb, you climb.
Exactly.
So if the guy don't see say the band put his head down, may I use and climb? He climb.
The band is a beautiful
and the
ladder.
band is a very beautiful ladder.
Miss Eva, we climb.
Yeah, if the band comes to make I climb, I will climb.
Amaka, coming from you. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my God. I see marriage has changed you. Oh. Marriage don't change you, right?
But Amaka, you don't marry.
I don't understand.
She says she's I will keep my husband now. Quibi, wait.
As I don't lost.
Wait.
I don't lost for you.
Tell me we ask who you go kiss, who you go date, and who you go kiss. You say you go kiss your husband.
You can't that's
when you marry.
Thank you.
Okay, when you marry.
Who knows kissing your husband if you
marry?
I don't know for una. Una don't talk to my husband.
Why you not go date your husband? Say no, because I didn't marry now.
I'm married by then.
You're very controversial.
Preaching get different version.
I tell you.
Niger version.
At this point, I'm sorry to say we need to enter inside markets.
Why are you sorry to go to market?
One buy the ring for you so you'll marry once.
Yes. When I the kind ring go I want. So when I enter market now.
When we come back, we go play you our old school video of the day. Not go anywhere, I beg.
But you don't ask me the kind ring go I want.